Leaves are falling, whispers soft, golden hues in breezes aloft. Crunching footsteps let me see nature's secrets come to me. Chilly air, the breath of fall, scents of pine they softly call. Pumpkin spice and apple pies warm me with their sweet surprise. Underneath the amber tree, autumn whispers speak to me. Colors catch the setting sun, crisp and cozy breath begun. Walking down a forest lane, footprints drift in light champagne. Trees are talking, rustling low, telling tales as cold winds blow. Whirling leaves and dance of gold, autumn's beauty pure and bold. Cool embrace of twilight's glow, stars above start peeking slow. Underneath the amber tree, autumn whispers speak to me. Colors catch the setting sun, crisp and cozy breath begun.
Cold wind whispers through the trees, leaves like whispers fall with ease. Sky is gray, the sun's asleep, autumn secrets we must keep. Sweaters wrapped around our hearts, bonfire dreams ignite the dark. Echoes of November nights, silent stars and soft streetlights. November mood is all around, footsteps barely make a sound. Memories like fallen leaves float on by with autumn breeze. Pumpkin spice and coffee cups, morning frost upon the rush. Families gather near the flame, whispered tales of old remains. Windows fogged with warmth inside, time's a river fierce and wash. November's chill, but we remain huddled close to numb the pain. November mood is all around, footsteps barely make a sound. Memories like fallen leaves float on by with autumn breeze.
out of bed, wide awake, no more dreams in my head. Crisp air, the leaves are turning red. Dance to the beat like the world's our stead. Sunlight kisses the autumn sky. Clouds paint stories fluttering by. Feel the rhythm reach up high. Heartbeats sinking, no need to try. Autumn breeze carries us along. We sing out loud our favorite song. Moments fleeting, but they belong in the Saturday where we are strong. Whispers of wind we twirl around, feet on the ground yet hearts unbound. In the colors of fall, love is found. Echoes of laughter, the sweetest sound. Autumn breeze carries us along. We sing out loud our favorite song. Moments fleeting, but they belong in the Saturday where we are strong. Sun sinks slow, but the vibe remains. Chilling evening, no room for change. Stars ignite our hopeful flames. Autumn dance forever we claim. Sun sinks slow, but the vibe remains. Chilling evening, no room for change. Stars ignite our hopeful flames. Autumn dance forever we claim.